For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Nation observed 21st anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas remembering brave martyrs. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and several other leaders paid tribute to martyred soldiers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also took to Twitter and said that determination of armed forces will continue to inspire generations.
On Kargil Vijay Divas, we remember the courage and determination of our armed forces who steadfastly protected our nation in 1999. Their valor continues to inspire generations.
Narendra Modi also dedicated his 67th episode of Mann Ki Baat to Kargil Vijay Divas. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, MOS Defence Shripad Nayak and 3 service chiefs paid tribute at the National War Memorial on the 21st anniversary of India's victory in the Kargil War. Rajnath Singh saluted the armed forces.
On the 21st anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas, I would like to salute the brave soldiers of the Indian Armed Forces who fought the enemy under the most challenging conditions that the world had witnessed in the recent history.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah took to the Twitter and said Kargil Vijay Divas is a symbol of India's pride.
Kargil Vijay Divas is a symbol of India's proud valor and steadfast leadership. I bowed to the soldiers who, with their indomitable courage, drove the enemy from the inaccessible hills of Kargil and waved the tricolour there again. The country is proud of the heroes of India who are dedicated to protecting the motherland.
President Ramnath Kovind also took to Twitter and said the nation is forever grateful to soldiers.
Kargil Vijay Divas is symbol of fearless determination and exceptional valor of our armed forces. I salute the soldiers who fought the enemy and laid down their life to defend Bharat Mata. The nation is forever grateful to them and their families.
Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa also paid his tribute to martyred soldiers in Bengaluru. India defeated Pakistan on July 26th of 1999 and since then July 26th is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas. July 26th is dedicated to the Indian soldiers who made the supreme sacrifice to uphold and safeguard the integrity of the nation. Soldiers fought legendary battles in Dras, Kaksar, Batalik and Turtak sectors at heights above 12,000 feet. The war resulted in the loss of several lives on both the sides, but India emerged victorious. India lost 527 soldiers in the conflict with Pakistan between May and July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and along LOC.